Hi, my name is Norman Drangsholt, and I'm with the Sea-Dog line. Today we're going to show our new low-profile task light. It's an LED surface mount. It's only 5/16 of an inch thick. It's got a little tiny dot in the center, which is what you tap to turn on and turn off. Hold it down between that and the side, and it's going to go all up to brightness. Again, it's 304 stainless. It's got 24 warm white LEDs in there. It goes all the way down and dims a little bit, but when you want it to come back on to the same level, it'll go all the way back up to bright. Hold it here, I can bring it down to dim, and then tap it off. Again, it's got a touch switch with memory. It draws only 0.19 of an amp, 143 lumens. Again, pretty good brightness, 12 to 28 volts DC. It also has an IP rating of 65, so it's something that's perfect to put in a companion way that, again, you're not going to run into it. Other reading lights and things stick out a ways. This one you can have in a head. A lot of great uses for this. Again, if you have any other questions, look at our website at sea-dog.com. Safe boating out there. Thank you.